That's funny. Are you gonna watch it?
Mm-hmm. Oh God.
Take that.
Okay, let's do a different one.
You look like a dinosaur. Your nose is all fucked up. Look
Take
at
a
her
pic-
teeth. That looks nothing like you.
What?
I want to snapshot it.
Maybe we have too many.
Fuck.
Oh, I should have sent one like this to Alex.
Yeah, you should have. Or, watch, here's a funny one. You could, that one.
There's two
Look,
of me.
there's two.
Like on Mariah's YouTube one. She's like,
Yeah.
two.
I think
And
I
then you
saw-
can hear you. If there was two of her, I
Kinda
don't
look
know
like-
what I would do.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, who do you look like right there in that one? Look at your tooth. Take a picture.
You look like freaking like a mutated version of Elvis.
Here, look.